they have the police up there on the road because people are pulling over filming it, just like us.
Because the
we're gonna lose it. See there? Look, there it is, guys. There's a tornado. Woo! Look at that.
You could go
Our
south
first
and
tornado.
climb up Pershing.
I don't know what that means. Okay, so
Turn left.
Okay. Oh. Do you guys see it?
Madeline, it's over there. It's right in front of us.
There it is. There we go. Do you guys see? Isn't it beautiful? Can you see it? It's a real tornado. It's far away. It's far outside of the town. There it is. Have you ever seen anything so beautiful, Bob? It's slanting. It's already roping. But we'll be able to see a really good view of it up here on this hill, okay?
So we can get the first eyes.
Yeah, it's roping already. As soon as we get up here to this hill, we're going to stop.
Is that another little funnel off to the side there?
Yeah.
Maybe when the sun's over, we won't
Damage. Oh, look how quick that's roping. Look at that.
It's roping.
Yeah, it sure is.
Going out.
See how narrow it is?
Going out.
Wow, this is a good view.
Look at the ropes.
Tell me when you want to pull over.
Yeah.
Wow, you gotta see a tornado, brother. That's even better than a wicked hailstorm or a wicked lightning storm. Now they all roped out there. Bob. Oh, there it goes. Look, it's getting sucked up, Bubby.